Yes, can confirm for those of you asking, the unnamed major YouTuber that we sponsored to do a video about the LTT screwdriver or featuring the LTT screwdriver was Marquez. I actually ran into him at a summit over the last couple of days. It's over now, so I guess I can say that it took place. But we were chatting about it, and I think we're both pretty darn pleased overall. Like, the community reaction to it was just like, what? This is hilarious. I love it. And, you know, I think for both of us, it was not an obvious outcome. It could have, it could have very easily been like, I don't come on MKBHD to see Linus stuff,
see them
or
computers.
Yeah, or like, what are you doing? You know, sponsoring other YouTubers. He doesn't even build computers all the time. Like, you never know, right? Like, there could be any number of wild interpretations of what was going on. But from, you know, my point of view, and I think from his, it was actually pretty simple. It was a collab in the sense that there was a cross-pollination between the channels, between the audiences, but also we did sponsor the video, which is not really any different from what anyone else would do. And from my point of view, I just wanted to see him do a computer build again, because it'd been almost 10 years.
Yeah.
It had been almost 10 years.
It's been a hot minute.
Yeah, the last time he did it was a Hackintosh.
That makes sense.
Which is like,
yeah.
It's clearly been long enough that Apple's over it. So that'll give you some idea, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it was pretty fun. It was pretty cool overall. It was a pleasure working with their team, and that's what it was. And don't be surprised if you see the screwdriver popping up in other places. Zach from Jerry Rig Everything has already had his Creator Edition screwdriver make a little cameo. And you'll see a lot more than that if we get our way, obviously. We think it's a really great screwdriver. We have sent it out to a bunch of people. They're under no obligation to show it in any way, but obviously, you know, we'd feel the love. So that's pretty cool, I guess.